Hey friends, Gator Mom here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day. Today we're talking all about this Wallace Quatro Tote. All right, so I shared this one a while back on a 5 Friday favorites, I believe. It was a haul video that I did with some of the new Wallace releases that came out in the beginning of the year. And I've been using this bag off and on ever since. It seems to be a style that I go back to a lot when I need something to pack up quickly, when I know it's gonna be a bag that's gonna be easy and comfortable and have a lot of organization. I really like this Quatro Tote. I think that it's comfortable to carry. I love the drop length on these straps. I get a lot of questions on these straps. Are they comfortable? Do I like them? Do I think they're too thin? I think they're great. I think that they're comfortable over my shoulder. I will attach this crossbody strap a lot of times just because sometimes I do like to wear it like messenger style across the front of me, but 9 times out of 10 I'm just throwing it over the shoulder with these straps. So today we're going to get into all the pockets of this bag, all like 100 I feel of these pockets that are in this Quatro Tote. I'm going to show you all of the details of the bag and everything that I've packed up inside for a typical day for me and the 3 kids, running errands after school, sports, music, all the things. Like I just mentioned just a minute ago, there are a couple different ways that you can carry this bag. One of them being crossbody with this optional messenger strap. You can easily adjust it here on the side to make it longer or shorter. If you're not a fan of these particular straps, you can make the length on this really short and it becomes a super comfortable shoulder strap. The webbing on this is really soft. It's nice and thick and sturdy. The hardware, just like all of Wallace's bags, are really top quality. On this strap here, it has a little bit of a unique design. You do have a little kind of D-ring right here that you can attach things to the outside of your strap if you need to. I just have over here my little 31 photo fob. You guys know I love this. I keep it attached on my bag somewhere or my wallet or something. I just love it. I think that it's special and I carry it with me always. So I have that there on the outside of the strap. And then I also have a large link pouch. You guys love these. They sell out pretty quickly on the Wallace website, but they are back in stock as of right now, and in a couple of different colors. So I just have the standard black one here. This is the large size. There is a large, a medium that seems to be a little wider, not quite as tall as this, and then a small one, which I actually have packed inside. I'll show you that in just a second. But attached here to, or inside this long link pouch, I just have my Touchland hand sanitizer, and I think that it is literally the perfect little pocket to hold this. Touchland did recently just release a I think it's silicone. No, maybe it's not. I think maybe it's neoprene. It's a little pouch that actually holds their Power Mist sanitizers, and you could attach them to the outside of the bags. I actually did not grab one just because I really like carrying it in this little link pouch. I feel like it's perfect. But this is what it looks like outside. It is a little Power Mister hand sanitizer. They're great. I'm a huge fan. I think one of my favorite things about this bag are all of the pockets. I love a bag with a ton of pockets, and this one I feel like there's just really a place for everything. On the front of the bag here, you have 2 long pockets that are just open, and then you have the same pockets on the back of the bag, which I'll show you here in a second. The material of this bag is unlike any that I've seen, and this is the same material that's in their entire Bowery collection. I'm excited to try some other things in this line. I recently did a small crossbody review, which I'll have linked below in the blog post with links to everything if you guys want to check that out. But the material, like I said, is unlike any other that I've really seen on the market. It's like soft and it feels like a pillow. It's crazy comfortable. So in these front 2 pockets here, this one over here, I just have my cell phone thrown down in there. It's a big pocket. You can obviously fit any size electronic down in there. And then over in this pocket, I just have my wallet. This is the Wallace small Crosby wallet. I love this little wallet. I've been carrying it a lot lately. It just zips around and it has card slots on the inside. It's really nice and convenient. Moving on to the back 2 pockets of the bag. They are exactly like the front. Over here in this one, I have a book for my youngest. This is in the Magic Treehouse series. He's been kind of getting into that a little bit. And then I have a package of wet ones, always have those. And then over here in this pocket, I've just been throwing in a couple of snacks. So sometimes this pocket's empty. Sometimes I have a couple of things in there, like some Cliff Bars, a little chewy granola bar, and then it's probably, oh, and a fruit snack in there. So it's kind of a little catch-all. I put gum down in there, some like bribery lollipop treats, just stuff like that. Looking down here at the top of the bag, you do have one long zipper that goes the entire way across the bag. I have it unzipped just a little bit on the corner here, and I'll show you why in just a second. But in addition to the big opening of the bag, you have 2 additional small zip pockets. I love this so much. I think this design is really unique. In this one here, which is on the front here of the bag, I actually just have a package of tissues, and then I have the small little pouch that came with this bag, and inside here I have everything that is small that I would need. There is a nice little ring over here on the side, so if you wanted to attach it, say to like the outside of the bag or a leash inside of it or something like that, you do have that option. I just have it tucked in that pocket, so I don't have a need to do that right now. But inside here, like I said, is just all my small like cosmetic type things. I have hair ties for my daughter and I, a little face wipe, emergency pack. I have tons of lip products. I have eyeglass wipes, again, for my daughter and I. There's a travel hairbrush down here, medicine, a nail file, all of that kind of stuff is just tucked into this little pouch here, so that I can just grab it out and grab whatever it is that we need. I find that this back zipper pocket of the bag is the perfect pocket for all of our face masks. I tend to put extras in here, especially if I know the boys are going to basketball or something like that. I have a mask here for my daughter and I. We both wear these Kitsch masks and we love them. My youngest wears these little kind of cotton masks, and then my oldest loves these Rothy's masks. So I always have extras for us tucked down in that pocket. They stay nice and clean, kind of separated from everything else that's inside the bag. Moving on to the big opening here of the bag, I'll give you a look of everything I have packed inside. I'll kind of tuck down the top flaps of the bag here. You could easily carry this bag just completely open. If you're not a big fan of zipped up bags and you like more of like a open kind of bucket tote type concept, you could easily keep these open and still be able to get to these zipper pockets really easily. I do that a lot. But inside the bag here, I'll start with over here just so I can show you what I have attached. These are the 2 rings that obviously you attach the messenger strap to. In addition to that strap, I had a small link pouch tucked down inside, but yet still accessible if I need to grab for it quickly or I want to use it. This here is just my little portable charger. It's just a regular like USB phone or tablet or whatever I need, on the go type charger. So I have that there. And then inside this small link pouch, I actually have my earbuds, and they fit in here perfectly. I have the Studio earbuds. A lot of you ask me about these and I always forget to link them. I'll make sure to link them below, but they are just regular earbuds. I really like them. It's in this kind of wider case, and I also have room for the charging cord. I just like to keep them both together, just in case I need to charge it while I'm out and I'm not rooting around trying to figure out where it is. So that's what I have inside this link pouch here. On the inside of the bag, you do have 2 pockets here in the front. This one over here, I just have a Erin Condren pencil pouch. It does have an elastic back here so that I can put it over my journals or my notebooks. It's like a soft pink corduroy. I really like the material, but inside here I just have a couple of my favorite pens and highlighters that I like to journal with or write in my planner. Like I said, I will sometimes attach this just to the outside of my journals or planner, but right now I just have it tucked down inside that pocket there. Then in the pocket that's right next to it, I have a pair of travel scissors. This is another Erin Condren product, and I love these. You can just take them out and easily have a pair of scissors. I can't tell you how many times I've actually used these, especially when traveling. So I have those tucked down in there, and then I also have a big hand cream. This one is a Sea Swept Lavender and Sandalwood. It smells really good. In addition to the 2 pockets here on the front of the bag, you do have the signature MZ Wallace interior zipper pocket back here that is trimmed in leather, and you have the MZ Wallace logo here. You have a small little card pocket down there that I don't have anything in, and I actually don't have anything packed inside this zipper pocket either, but I did want to point out the fact that it is quite large and you can use it for a ton of things, and you also have 2 little pockets inside this zipper pocket. So it's really great to organize a bunch of small things that maybe you don't want to get lost or you want to be able to find easily. So that is back there in addition to all of the other pockets that are inside this bag. The only things that I have inside the main part of the bag are this small little on-the-go med kit. This thing is so perfect, especially for like running out in sports, and I always throw it in my bags because it is so neatly organized. Such a creative idea. But basically inside here I have all of the med things I would ever need for my kids or myself. I mean, there's anti-itch cream, sting relief, there's ibuprofen and aspirin if I should run out of that in my little cosmetic bag, Band-Aids for days. It's all divided, it's easily found. I also have these little Amazon soap sheets. I think I shared these recently in a TikTok and a reel, but they're basically like on-the-go soap sheets, hair ties. I mean, there's so much stuff in here. So I have this in this little kind of portable case tucked down in the bag there. Then right next to it, I have another big favorite that I've been carrying, and that is my 31 creative double pouch, I believe is what it's called. But there's this clear part here in the front that I have these yummy scented crayons. The kids love those. Those are made by Oli, I believe. And then on the inside, I also have little play pack coloring books. I have plain white paper in this notebook. I have these small little Disney cars, which are still a big favorite in our house. More little notebooks. And then I have this pack of pens that my daughter is obsessed with. They're actually really cool. I'll show them to you real quick since I'm here. But you open them up and they just lay flat, and they're all these fun like glitter, pastel and neon type colored pens. So they're able to kind of use these little notebooks and draw with. It's just like a little busy on-the-go activity kit for them. Then right next to it in the main part of the bag, just down here at the bottom, I have my keys. I have my house key, my car key, and then this big O-Venture key ring in this gold bamboo ring. I love this one. I use this one a ton. Then I have, you guys that pay attention to my planners are going to crack up at me likely, but that's okay. I am back in my simplified weekly planner. I moved from my Erin Condren Life Planner. I'm back in this weekly planner. I love this one. I also love my Erin Condren. I switch around my planners. I feel the same amount of times that I switch my bags out, but that's okay. Anyways, I'm back in my weekly planner by Simplified. I love this. It's just small and compact. Every time I use it, I love carrying it around. So I had this one in there, and then I also have my Erin Condren notebook, which I've been using a ton lately. So I feel like these two are just a really good combo for me right now. So this is what I've been using for this month. So there you have it. That is everything I have packed up inside this Quatro Tote here. I love this bag. I cannot recommend it enough. There's also an internal little leash that I forgot to mention earlier. I had my keys also attached to that one at one point, but I don't need them often, so I just kind of throw them in the bottom of the bag there. But give you kind of one last look of what the inside of it looks like. This is a great one. If you're on the fence, don't hesitate with this one. I think that it is worth every penny. It's one of my favorite bags, and I love this soft material. It's so good. So if you guys have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. As always, I will have the blog post that corresponds with this video that has links to everything below. But if you can't find something, don't hesitate to reach out. I'm always happy to chat with you guys and help. So I'll see you on my next video. Have a great day.